Hey everybody! I'm gonna do an acrylic pour today. Woohoo! It's about time, Sandra. Just a quick one and simple. It's not going to be difficult. I'm going to use all DecoArt paints, and I am using DecoArt Titanium White, Lamp Black. These are random. This is just what I had around. School Bus Satin. I don't know if that'll make sales or not. Primary Red, Bright Orange, and I'm going to use their pouring medium, 1:1 ratio. So I'm just going to fill up the rest of the cup with the pouring medium. The good part about if you use DecoArt together with their pouring medium, it always dries pretty smooth and kind of a satiny finish. It really has a nice finish coat. So just something to keep in mind. It's a little different from Floetrol, whereas Floetrol makes your painting dry a little more of a matte finish. The DecoArt pouring medium definitely helps with the sheen a little bit. So if you like a satin finish without having to do anything else to it, the DecoArt Pouring Medium definitely does the job. I never use matte paints. I don't ever buy anything that's acrylic that says matte. I just get the standard Americana colors. I just happen to have the bottle of, somehow I ended up with a bottle of satin paint on the yellow. So hopefully it won't do sales. I really don't want sales, I don't think. But today it's going to be a Starbucks pour. So I'm going to do a pour out of a Starbucks cup through the little drinking part right there where my finger is. So it's going to be kind of like, I guess, pouring out of a, a small hole, obviously. I'm going to fast forward through the mixing for the rest of this. Doing a 16 by 20 canvas, and it calls for about 11 ounces of paint, so I'm going to put at least 13 or so to cover all the edges. And we're just going to see what happens, alright? Didn't use all the black. I'm going to put the lid on. Now I got my Starbucks cup of Venti Maki Colorado. 72 degrees. My husband will appreciate that comment because he orders his, coffees at a certain temperature. I'm not a coffee drinker, so you know how that goes. All right, here we go. So it looks like the white is filtering through every color. It's a cool looking Starbucks cup though, isn't it? So the black and white has turned to gray, unfortunately. I am going to put some paint down on the corners. Alright, I'm going to stop. I'll take a video of it with my phone. I'm not going to bring it up to you. I don't want to tilt it. I think it's pretty cool. Trying to cover some muddy areas and make it look organic at the same time. So anyway, it was fun. It's nice just to throw in a pour, but I've really been enjoying my resin here lately. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll show pictures at the end of it dry. Thank you. I love you. Bye.